ESG Clean Energy is an environmentally conscious, forward-thinking leader ready to take on the challenges ahead. Our high-tech thermodynamics team specializes in the development of cutting-edge, sustainable, and distributed power solutions. Our multiple revenue sources provide reliable and steady cash flow, and we're always on the forefront of innovation within the industry. We establish and manage projects to meet the growing demand for reliable, affordable, and environmentally friendly energy. The sale of power to municipalities and electrical cooperatives throughout the U.S. via long-term power purchasing agreements, or PPAs, ensures steady growth. Profitable investment opportunities alongside a progressive green approach add value to communities small to large. Economic, environmental, and social benefits abound as we strive to be the future of distributed, sustainable power. So how does it work? ESG Clean Energy specializes in natural gas power systems that capture and sequester the CO2 while utilizing the waste heat to produce commodities. We use conventional CHP methodology to sell electricity into the power grid and use close to 100% of the waste heat to produce an easily sellable commodity on a distributed basis. Our process captures nearly 100% of all carbon dioxide emissions. Sequestered CO2 can be used in a variety of ways. Further, the production of distilled water or commodities from exhausted waste heat maintain a nearly net zero carbon footprint. This clean, conscientious method is a sustainable option sure to help us thrive for many years to come. Typical plants generate a minimum of 5 to 50 megawatts of distributed power per hour based on purchasing agreements. Much like commercial real estate with anchor tenants, ESG investments have consistent and reliable returns. Strong yields and tax benefits alongside multiple revenue streams make each project an attractive endeavor for investors throughout the United States. So what's next? The development of a new clean energy CHP facility is in progress. Explore this impactful alternative investment that provides strong returns and tax benefits, but is not real estate nor oil and gas. Located in Holyoke, Massachusetts, construction of our latest 5-megawatt plant in cooperation with Holyoke Gas and Electric Company is underway. The long-standing utility provider has signed a 20-year contract to purchase all the power we produce. Over $2 million in equity is invested, and we anticipate completion of the site within 3 months of full funding. Cash flow begins within 30 days of commissioning the facility. At this point, the distribution of returns to investors proceeds on a quarterly basis. Development is steady, as we've received the major building components, laid the foundation and footings, have interconnected electric and gas lines to the grid, and installed the automated switchgear and transformers. Want to get involved? ESG is offering a Reg D 506 $5 million preferred equity investment in our clean energy project in Holyoke, Massachusetts. The minimum investment is $25,000 over a 5-year term. Our target yield lays between 9 to 20% alongside beneficial tax credits and deductions. And a waterfall distribution method protects investors while providing incentives for sponsorship. Investors receive 100% of the cash flow until a 9% annual rate of return is reached. From there, we, as the issuer, share returns until investors meet a 20% annual rate of return. Returns are tax-advantaged thanks to a 10% CHP tax credit and the accelerated 100% bonus depreciation credit to the investor. There are numerous ways the principal can be paid back to the investor. For example, the project may be refinanced by ESG, sold off to another entity, or paid back through cash flow. Thankfully, this CHP plant qualifies for 100% bonus depreciation in year 1. Therefore, investors will receive this deduction in the form of a passive loss on our behalf. The benefits of our Holyoke project transcend profit. Clean, distributed, sustainable energy is the goal as we continue to fight climate change through the reduction of CO2 emissions. Our latest venture is another step in the right direction. Join ESG Clean Energy in our pursuit of a better tomorrow. Together, we can make a difference. Ready to learn more? Reach out to us today with any questions. Our talented, friendly team is always here.